Beautiful morning today. We're going to take this door out and clean all the aluminum. Probably take the window out too, clean that. The door's on its way out now. You can see the cracked loose. So a little more work and that's coming out. And then this window is almost out. And I'm still gonna work on the roof and get the roof repaired. Well, as you can see, the door's off. We put a cover up so the bugs try to stay out of it. And of course, this piece of wood here is junk. And the wood below is real questionable. So I got this piece off. So I guess we're pretty in now. I guess we're gonna try to see if we can't make some repairs. So here we go. All right, so I got the new wood on the bottom, and there's a new piece in this corner here. See that right there? It's countersunk in. This might have been a touch overkill. It was maple, but I kind of had the wood. This down here is poplar, which is fine. The screws are not really tight on it yet. I want to get the butyl tape in there, and then after that we should be okay. So anyway, I'm ready to put the trim on. And the trim is on this side. It looks real good. It did hide a lot of sins in here because it was 3/4 of an inch and now it's an inch, and so this piece of siding was actually exposed. The end of it was exposed, and now it's pretty good. So not bad at all. On the roof of my camper, and this is the vent for the refrigerator. Anyway, so we have a leak over here, and I'm thinking it's one of these holes. It could have been. There's a hole over here somewhere on this side. There's a hole right there. Right there's a hole. If you look over, it looks like they put the vent in the wrong spot. So that's what happened. Anyway. And I'll clean it up and see what more I can see. Well, okay, the vent's back on. It's cleaned up, repainted. Pulled the dents out of it. New screws, stainless steel, new butyl tape. I'll probably lay some sort of roofing thing on it. Probably this same stuff here, this roofing tape. Underneath that tape was 5 holes. It looked like they started putting the roof vent and then they slid it over and did it again. So yeah, I think that was done at the factory. That mistake. Anyway, so the roof vent is clean, fixed, and that hole is certainly fixed too.